Hi, my name is Ryan, and I head out our media strategy efforts over here at Northbeam. And in this video, I wanted to walk through an improvement on our sales page that'll make your life a fair bit easier, quicker, and more robust when it comes to search filtering. So, a common scenario we run into is we want to analyze maybe a couple different campaigns, and these campaigns don't have a single unifying naming structure amongst them, right? So in the example for this brand here, they run these O2 campaigns to represent prospecting, but then they also run these O6 campaigns to represent a mix of prospecting. So if we wanted to go down to comma separated search, O2, O6, searching for those two values. And now you'll see only the O2s and the O6s show up here, and their spend is summed at the top. So relatively straightforward. We no longer are limited to just an O2 or just an O6. Comma separated search will make it easy peasy. We've also added in this save searches function. So if you find yourself using a similar search very often, you can actually save that now. And then for more robust, we also have this regex search. So if somebody on your team is familiar with regex, we can actually input that regex there, and it'll recognize that regex as well for more advanced search filtering. But for everybody else, you can just stick to this comma separated O2, O6, sum those up, and we're good to rock and roll. Okay, thanks. Bye.